I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I want.
Welcome back again, everyone, and here we are. We are in Georgetown, Grand Cayman. This was a very first for us, as we had never been to this particular cruise port nor island before. And I don't see a whole ton of videos out there on this island. I see some 7 Mile Beach, and really that's about it. But yeah, we got the chance to hop in a cab here and go to our excursion to Stingray City and tour the island. Hey, while you guys are at it, if you could hit that subscribe button for us, that'd be great. That means a lot to our channel, helps us keep growing and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm inside the cab here, and I am actually riding shotgun. The weird thing is unlike stateside, they drive on the left side of the street. It was very strange to me, but whatever. Traffic was kind of moderate in the morning, as you can see here a little bit, but I will say closer towards 3:30, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, heading back, traffic got super thick. And our particular driver for the excursion, he actually drove this thing like he had stole it. I was a little nervous inside this thing, needless to say, but he got us there in one piece and back to the ship, of course. The port itself is under construction, so that was kind of crazy in the morning. Not a big deal, though. I'm sure it'll be done soon. But honestly, the island of Grand Cayman here, it's not much different than what we're normally used to. I saw a couple Burger Kings, I saw a couple Wendy's, I saw a couple Subways. There's some Hiltons coming up here. Further along in the video, there was a very nice looking golf course / country club. Wouldn't mind trying that out next time I'm there and see how I hit them or not. But yeah, good island, very clean. People are super friendly. Traffic's kind of thick. But again, not a bad place. I would definitely visit again. But hey, I'm going to sign out here. You guys go ahead and enjoy the video. If you have any questions, feel free to throw some comments in there. We'll definitely answer them back. And we'll see you guys soon. Take care. Thanks.